And it's always for the girls. Like, we love to dress up for ourselves. Men think that we're dressing up for them, but hello. Girls that get it, get it. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Mrs. M, and if you're not new, come on in, get comfortable. We love girly things over here. We love glam, we love slow living, we love romanticizing our lives, we love just being fine babes. And I'm about to just finish getting ready. Like, you know how you just finished putting on a new wig, new outfit, you're carrying a new bag, and I'm about to show you what's in my bag. Okay, I love this kind of videos. I love watching them on YouTube, and they're like the OG. I've done one already and I'm doing a second one. Okay, I love this bag so much. She's pink because my entire outfit is black. I'll show you my outfit, but I don't know, I'll be shy. She's cute. She's the only pop of color on my outfit today. And I'm going to link the website that made this bag because she is so pretty. I am just in awe, like the detail on this bag, the craftsmanship on this bag. She's Chanel, but is she Chanel? If you want to be bougie on a budget, I have a link for this bag for you. It's not even up to $300, or well, it's not more up to $400, I'm sure of. I don't know the exact price, but it's not up to $400. And for something that is worth tens of thousands of dollars, trust me, they sometimes bring this in and sell this to you as the real deal. You cannot beat this quality. Anyway, yeah, if you want to get this bag for yourself or for someone you love, the link is in the bio. They give you all the bag, the box, the certificate, the box, like in case you want to give this out. I just wanted to show you because I literally just, you know how girls, you can relate, unboxing a new bag and going out, fun. And it's always for the girls. Like, we love to dress up for ourselves. Men think that we're dressing up for them, but hello, girls that get it, get it. Duster bag. It came with everything you need. There's certificates in here as well in case that's your jam. Everything you need, even the bow thingy. I probably will use this as a hair tie thingy. Like, it would be so cute. It's just it is with the DIY bow. I think I've spoken so much, but let's go on to what's in my bag. Okay, check out the link for this bag. The website that made this bag, I'll leave them linked in the description box right now. She's pretty, isn't she? So once you open this, because you already know I'm on makeup, and once I have makeup like this, I love to have something to use for my touch-ups, especially when I'm going to be somewhere, I'm going to be shaking my booty. It probably is going to make me sweat. So I have this mirror in here. This mirror is it has a light, so it's a double-sided mirror. As you can see, it's pink, hello, and it has the light. Can you see that? Can you see? I don't know if you can see the light, but yeah, in a really dark place. Hi gorgeous. In a really dark place, this light is going to come through for me, and my makeup will be highlighted nicely, and I'll be able to see what I need to see and do my touch-ups. I also have in here my gloss, cause girl, you know, when you suck and eat all those things you want to eat, your straw, whatever it is, you're going to need more gloss. I love this one from DD Beauty so much. And next we have sunglasses. Okay, Miu Miu sunglasses. These glasses, I actually got them from this website as well. I love this so much. Like, I love the shape, I love the animal print on it, so nice. You see that? So when I get to the point where I don't want to see anybody's face, this glass is necessary. Okay, very necessary. So that's why I have her in my bag. Like, I don't go places where there are people without glasses. I need to not see anybody's face. Okay, and they need to not see mine too. And I think, oh, one last thing, my ATM card is in here as well. It has this card stuff. I'm going to put the card there. It's very nice. Kayali. Okay, this is sweet diamond. I wanted to say it was vanilla, but this is sweet diamond, and it smells just very delicious and very, very beautiful. I really love her, and this is my bag perfume. So yeah, that brings us to the end of the video. I'm not sure if you gained anything from it except from being nosy and seeing what's in my bag. Let me know if you have similar stuff in my bag, like if we have similar things in our bag, and what you think about my pink baby. Welcome her to the family, because we're about to start growing our pink collection over here. You're about to see way more bags. I think this is my favorite detail of this bag. Check her out in the description. Check her out in the description box, okay, if you want to get this for yourself. And I'm going to see you in my next video to let me know. Do you want to see more what's in my bag? I'm going to go have fun with my girls. Bye. You're my girl too, so give me a thumbs up and subscribe. So stick around together.